Hey, what's going on, guys? So yeah, this is Gus from GusDigitalSolutions. Just wanted to help everybody out, and I just want to say, stop using Claude. I know there was a Super Bowl commercial about Claude and everything. Like, if you're gonna use it for 1 month. I'll go ahead and put you guys on. All right, I freaking got the subscription, so I know what to do. Okay, so just listen to me. All right, I'll show you. So what happens if you use Claude? Claw's really cool and all, you know what I mean? But you're gonna pay $200 a month to vibe code, whatever. You know, you got shift tab here. You could go to the different modes. 80% of the time, you do want to be in plan mode. That's just the way this stuff works. I could ask it, hey, you know, you gotta, there's like a Claude MD file. You gotta edit or whatever. You gotta ask it like, hey, let me edit your Claude MD file, things like that. But I'm gonna ask it, hey, what is text MCP, etc. I want to show you guys this. So yeah, you always want to be in plan mode. Like I said, if you're trying to vibe code with Claude, this is Codex GBT 5.4. I really don't even use it. Just, I mean, you could do plan mode in it as well. It's good for executing, you know what I mean? Like it's really fast. Sometimes I'll say, like, I'll be like this, you know, I'll be like, hey, can you look at my game Hollowborn, making a game, and see we can fix some bugs. Now, if you want to spend more tokens and use Cloud more efficiently, you would say something like, use parallel agents to help me. Now, that's a tip that you could use for Claude, but stop using Claude. That's a waste. Now, with Codex, if you have these though, you know what I mean, and you just paid for them, what you could do is you could literally just say you know, with Codex, you could just be like, hey, can you look at code base and what I can do to make it better? And then you can have Codex looking at it, things like that. But it really is a waste of money. You know, what you could do is, if you want to have basically almost like unlimited coding for the month, because coding costs money. That's just how it is nowadays. You know, you see all these fancy marketing things that are like, yeah, we built this, we built that. Oh yeah, they got money. You know what I'm saying? So what you could do is you have OpenCode. Now, OpenCode's really cool because you get MiniMax. So this is something that they don't tell you, is that you could get MiniMax. I think the coding plan is, it's not that, don't worry. Don't be scared. So yeah, it's this one. You get 2,000 prompts every 5 hours, which is nutty. You know, you get 1,000 prompts every 5 hours or 300 prompts every 5 hours. This is so much better than paying for a cloud subscription. Because if you pay for a subscription, you're paying like $200 or something, and you barely get anything out of it. You know what I mean? So this is what I recommend: is getting OpenCode. Just literally ask Claude Code. Like, what you could do is you just say like, you know, this is what I did. It took me a long time, but literally what I did was, so I got MiniMax here. I had Prometheus for whatever reason. Hey, look, I'm already getting the usage of like completely done with Claude. But what you could do is you could say like, hey, can you set up my open code with Kimmy? Now what you can do is you can literally have to set this up. You could do like, you know, Perplexity, the free trial, have Claude here, and literally just go back and forth. You know what I'm saying? You just be like, hey, like you have Perplexity here, you got the deep search, control browser. I just hit the system part up here, and I'm like, hey, can you help me set up MiniMax OpenCode coding? Just give like, you know, link there. It's it's gonna ask you for your browser sometimes, but literally just have it go. It's like, if you're really gonna code, stop wasting money. Get MiniMax, High Speed, or Kimi. I think Kimi and MiniMax. Kimi is insane. I saw like viral videos of people saying like, oh, I parsed this web, and it got like 500k views, and I'm like, dude, this is so much better than parsing a web. What you could do is you could literally have this running all night long, parsing webs for you, times as much as you want, and like stuff like that. Like there's literally like no point. Like he was using like, I'm not even gonna say anything, but basically, get the MiniMax, get Perplexity, free trial. Code is free. Now, if you really want to code, you want a MiniMax 2.5 high speed as of at least 3/7 2026. I mean, what you could do with it is nuts. Like, I'll just show you guys. So you just put plan mode. That's what I usually do, and I'm like, look up 3/7 2026. Any top, are there any new ones other than MiniMax? The other one's Kimi. So yeah. So this should be, I got the cred vault here. Just typing something to it real quick. So yeah. Just wanted to make sure it doesn't. Just want to make sure if it's running properly here. Okay, great. So yeah, you can see like just how fast it is. It literally is instant. Like, why parse a web and stuff like that when you could literally just have OpenCode? Like, OpenCode is like way better than like anything that I've seen. I've seen some viral videos, and I'm just like, dude, just use OpenCode. Like, you know what I mean? You could, so what you could do is you could put like, hey, make a plan to work on OpenCode, right? And then literally it's doing everything right away. You don't have to waste time. None of that stupid things, you know what I mean? So just go in there and just look at the speed of this. Like, it's gonna develop the plan. It's just insane, man. Like, if you use Claude, you're just like slow. It's not being fast. And I mean, it's just always giving like next steps and things like that, which is nuts. Now, this is gonna be what you want to do. What you want to do is just, get Claude. What I did was I got Claude Code for a month, and I set up my OpenCode, because literally from there, it's just so much better. Look at this, instant searches, real time. You're not missing out on it. Like this is nuts. You know what I'm saying? Like, why are you using Claude if there's no more? You know what I mean? So, you guys let me know why you're using Claude, because this is just nuts. This is just so slow compared to this. I don't know why people are using Claude anymore. Use it for the first month. Use Claude to build OpenCode. Like, hey, could you set up OpenCode for me? That's what you need to do. So yeah, I'm building a game, and I'm just trying to help people out with coding and stuff like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and put you guys on. Let me know what you guys think. I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys more secrets. I used to work at X, Twitter, I quit, and I'm trying to help people out with AI and tech and stuff like that. I got 4 months, 15 hours a day. So please like and subscribe if you like the content. Thank you so much.